So, happy birthday, Solminia, happy birthday. So this one, Solminia, ilalagay mo lang yan. Isasaksak mo dito, the light lalabas. Yan kay, this is for Solminia, happy birthday. So ibabalik ko sila dito sa box. Ayan. This one. Right. So, yeah, so that's for Solminia. That's the box there. Happy birthday, Solminia. And then, this one is the same thing. This one, it's for Maribik. Maribik, happy birthday. So, you just gonna ilalagay mo rin yan dito. Magkakaroon din siya ng light. Okay. And that's Maribik. And of course, ibabalik ko siya dito sa pinag-anuhan ko. And then, here we go. So, this is for Maribik. Tonight. Hi. So, I got for photo of them. My two friends. And then, for Myla, sabihin mo lang sa akin kung kailan ang birthday mo. Nakalimutan ko. Kung nakalimutan ko ang birthday mo, Myla, happy birthday. O belated happy birthday. O advance happy birthday. And then, yes, Solminia, Maribik, happy birthday sa inyo. Thank you so much, guys, for watching.